So Island Energy started as a family-run business. It was my dad, myself and my younger brother. Solar just sort of kept popping up for us. We ended up getting into it through a conversation with my mum. And as an electrician, I was looking for something to specialise in. And, renewable energy, at the time, it was a change. It wasn't the status quo. And to be able to provide that for people, friends and family, and give them a solution that is renewable was at the core of why we decided to look at becoming a solar business. Solar being a renewable energy source, it's the way of the future. Coal, oil and gas are depletable, fossil fuels, and they're definitely not going to serve a purpose for the future generations to come. As people take it up and there's less reliance on fossil fuels, we're already seeing the benefits of that. What's different about Island Energy? Our people, 100% our people. The point of difference that we've made from the start. The people that we employ are just amazing. It's a big family.
My name's Mark Cleverly. I'm the Sales and Operations Manager. It is an exciting thing to do, to know that we're carving a way to a more sustainable future.
We all believe in what we do, which is a really good thing. We service residential, commercial and off-grid. With our residential clients, we basically just offer solutions that change their lives. Like, they're paying $500, $600 in power every quarter. We can get that down to $100, and it really makes a big difference to their livelihoods.
I have solar installed at home myself, which is allowing me to reduce my energy bills, as well as putting my foot forward to reducing our carbon footprint.
So the sustainability of solar, if you install really high quality products, solar will be there for generations to come. It will last for years and years and years, and your kids will see the benefits.
Overall, I see the future containing solar generation systems, battery storage, and for the entire community to be using a renewable source of energy.
My hopes for the future are just to, one step at a time, be a better person. If you want to have a positive impact on the world and do one thing that can improve the world for future generations, let solar be the first step.